Look at the snow. I've got Penny in her little winter jacket. Are you ready to go chase the buns in the snow? Go, 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 go. Whoops. Go. Penny, go get in the snow. Go, go, go. Go get in the snow. Go, go. And off she goes. Good morning. Welcome back to Vlogmas. I was just on the phone with my friend catching up, and so I haven't talked to her in a couple of weeks because she was busy living her best life on a cruise, which is fine. I guess just a little jelly about it, but anyway. As you can see, it snowed last night. So pretty when it does snow, but it is so cold out there. So I need to get some coffee in my veins. I might be out of iced coffee, y'all. I don't know, but let's see what we're working with this morning. Like a quarter cup. We're gonna have to mosey out into the world. That's sad and disappointing. I have like a quarter of a cup. I'm gonna have to drink hot coffee today, which is fine. I also need to do laundry. I feel like I always say that, but I really do need to do laundry. Well, I gotta get the creamer mixed up. There we go. I do need to do laundry today. We've got the cabinet guy coming. I have to wrap presents. Did not wrap them enough. Did not wrap any last night. So I also need to go to Hobby Lobby and get gas. So like go to Hobby Lobby, and get gas today. So I need to do all of that stuff. But and I was hoping I'd be able to go with my sister-in-law to get her nails done. Get our nails done today. So, but I don't know if I'll be able to get that done. She asked me to meet them at 4, and I don't know that the cabinet guy is going to be done in time. So we'll see what happens, but I'm going to go drink this sad half cup of coffee and wake up a little. So the guy just got here or just left, and he finished the hardware on the cabinet. Let me show you. You guys that are along with me on Vlogmas are seeing so many sneak peeks of this bathroom, but I'm kind of here for it. So we have the panel is on, and then he installed our hardware for us. And I think it looks so nice, doesn't it? So nice. So anyway, that got done. I was kind of hanging around waiting on that to get done, which very happy. That was the last of our projects to get done this season. Well, bathroom. Honestly, that project kickstarted all of the plumbing situation, and we were trying to connect that cabinet, the plumbing back up for that cabinet, and that is what created, or that's what ended up having the issues. And so anyway, it's all done now, thank goodness. I was going to go to Hobby Lobby. I was going to go get my nails done. I might still go get my nails done. Very happy with how that turned out. I need desperately to get gas. It was on empty today when I ran out to get some lunch, and then Penny's very, very upset. I do also need to wrap some presents. I know I said I was going to do that yesterday, and we just didn't get to it. Oh, mail got delivered. Penny's very upset that the mail got delivered. So I need to do that, and I need to put the stuff that was in the bathroom originally back into that bathroom. So we'll do that here in a bit. And then I've got a bazillion loads of clothes to fold, per usual. It never ends. Always just keeps going. But it's life, guys, you know? So anyway, okay, so I'm here at the nail salon, as you can see, to get our nails done. I'm meeting Nicole, my sister-in-law, to get our nails done. And I got to figure out what color I want. We're doing our family photo shoot later this month. And so I think I'm just going to go with something either like a deep garnet or like a darker color and go from there. So I'll show you what I land on after I get out. Okay, so I just got back. I got like a garnet red color. They did a good job on mine. Holly's not so much. I feel bad. I feel like I jinxed her while we were there. But yeah, we need to do Penny's BarkBox calendar. You guys seem to really enjoy that, seeing that as much as I think Penny enjoys getting it. So let's do it. Look, she knows. She's like, oh, it's time. Is it time, Penny? Okay, hold on. Okay, it's day 10, Pen. Day 10, Pen. You want your advent calendar? Can you come here? Up. Come on. Don't come back. Come here. Oh my goodness. It's a little Christmas tree treat. Oh my goodness. Oh. These are not your favorite, are they? I mean, you'll still eat them, but you don't like these as much, do you? Okay, what's tomorrow? Number 11? Oh, it's small. Might be a very small toy. Can you sit? Oh, Jay's a good girl. But it's probably a treat. I feel like they do treat, toy. Treat, toy. So, yeah, I feel like that's what they do. I feel like it's a little bit of a, it's not very surprising when you know how big the little things are.
Yeah, that's true.
There you go. Y'all, she jumped all over me when I got home. I tell you what, I'm home most days with her. Like, she and I are together pretty consistently, just the two of us. And I think when I'm gone and come home, she's like, wait, where'd you go without me? So we're gonna be making burgers tonight. Normally we grill them out on the grill, but like you all saw this morning, it snowed this morning. So like, definitely not gonna be getting the grill out tonight. So I guess we're doing them on the stovetop. Babe?
Gonna put them in the oven.
In the oven?
So like a mess.
Oh, can you make burgers in the oven?
Broiler, yeah.
Oh. We'll see. I don't know that I've ever made. I mean, did we get rid of the George Foreman? I think we did.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll add the seasoning. Penny pumpkin, bounce that booty, bounce that booty, bounce it, bounce it, bounce that booty, bounce it, bounce it, bounce it. What are you doing, you Reuben? She's a mess, y'all. A mess and a menace. A menace and a mess. Penny, you moving the chairs. I need to vacuum out these drawers now that the guy has put the handles on them. He got some wood shavings in there so that I can put all the stuff that has been in our guest room back in here. So let's do that. Simple, yet that stuff was sitting on the guest bedroom vanity for quite a while. So this bathroom is officially done. Like I said, you guys are getting a sneak peek. That video will come out in the new year after Vlogmas. So be on the lookout. All right, the next thing I need to do is wrap our white elephant gifts. So I guess I'll do that next, maybe. Okay, I was going to actually like wrap the presents in this because I have so many rolls of it, but I think I'm actually just gonna put stuff in bags this time. So I have got an entire bin, this entire bin full of wrapping stuff from my days when I worked at a gift wrap company. So I'm sure it is all just Christmas. I am pretty sure I have something that our what do you call it? White elephant gifts will fit in. So if you didn't see it the other day, we have a white elephant exchange on Saturday, and it was $50 unisex. Had to be like a good gift, not like a jokester gift. So we got a bottle of whiskey, which Ian picked out with the help of the guy from Total Wine. And then we also got this game and some popcorn. It's called Exploding Kittens, and we got the expander pack and then some popcorn snacks for the $50. Dark chocolate sea salt stuff. This may not be a gift for everybody, but I would want it, so I feel like it's a solid option. So I need to find some bags that all of that will fit in. Okay, so we've got those wrapped, which I think that's nice. Got that off the to-do list. Okay, I got a little Pim Pumpkin here. Hi, baby. What are you doing? She's Reuben. She's so funny. After dinner, she always finds a spot to rube and like get lovies. Yes, was that a yummy dinner? Was a yummy dinner? Yeah, she's such a good dog, you guys. So I wanted to talk to you for a little bit. So I'm not doing, like, Ian and I are not going to be doing a lot of presents this year with the plumbing and stuff. We just had very high unexpected renovation cost, and quite frankly, like, all of our family is a lot older. Like, we have a niece and a nephew, and so we're planning on purchasing for those guys. So we'll be wrapping more presents later, but just this year in general, like, we all decided as families to kind of, you know, forego the presents and, you know, just spend quality time with one another, which I think will be good. You know, I think a lot of families put a lot of emphasis on gift giving, and like, if that's your love language, like, that's fine. But I also think that, like, with all of the rat race of Christmas, that it tends to get a little overwhelming. Like, I was telling Ian, I'm like, if we have to buy for everyone, like, it takes me months to find all of that stuff, and it takes me, like, I want to find like the perfect gift, and I want to find something that is meaningful to each of those people, because like, I could just go buy something from Target, but so could they. And honestly, like, that's, I don't know, it's just not my jam. It's not the way that I like to give gifts. So I would actually prefer us to spend the day together, just play games and like create those core memories and like really focus on the kiddos. So I just, you know, I know that with YouTube and Instagram and TikTok and all of these social media things that are coming at us, we tend to get bombarded with like curating the perfect Christmas and finding the perfect gift and like having this perfect experience. And like, I'm just here to tell you that that's like, you don't have to do that, and that's also not necessarily real life for everyone. I think as a lot of us have experienced, the economy has not been the most kind to everyone. Like, I know I've been job searching since we moved to Denver, which was back in April, and I still haven't been able to find anything. I'm lucky that I get freelance and contract work, but you know, I've applied for a ton of jobs, and it hasn't come to fruition for whatever the case is. And I'm lucky in that way that like we are able to you know, still be able to live comfortably with all of with Ian's salary and stuff. So anyway, I don't know. I feel like on social media, there is such a push to like present the best self, and like, we all know this, but sometimes we just need a little reminder that, you know, just because you see it online and you see all these like perfectly curated like experiences and things like that, like, yes, you can have those, but it's not always real, and it's not always holistic, or not holistic, but it's not always like fully encompassing of what is actually going on in people's lives, right? Like, I think a lot of times, hey, we're having a serious chat. We're having a serious chat. You don't want us to have a chat anymore? You're tired of hearing me talk? That's okay. But I just think that, like, a lot of, move over. I just feel like a lot of times, like, we're bombarded with these perfectly curated things, images, people, experiences, whatever. And it's hard not to think that that is real life for everyone but you. And I guess, like, especially this time of year, like, there's so much that you can do, but there's also so much that is an extra that's not necessary. And I don't know, it's just been, hey, stop. It's just been on my mind a lot. And, like, yeah, we did take Penny to go see Santa last night, and, like, you know, to the picture, like, if you look at my Instagram, it's like a little snapshot of, like, all these magical moments. But, like, we stood in line for 2 hours. It was kind of chaotic. There was a lot of going on. There was a lot of dogs. There was a lot of chaos. There was, like, she got overstimulated, and, like, while it was fun, and don't get me wrong, it also was not this perfectly magical moment that was just, like, so blissful. I don't know, I think it's good to always have a reminder that real life can ebb and flow, and real life isn't always this curated thing. So, anywho, that's my food for thought today. Thanks for coming to my TED Talk, I guess. I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas day, whatever. I think we're on, like, 13, 12. I don't know, y'all. We're, like, halfway there, though. I know that much. So I have 2 videos to edit, so I need to get off here and quit gabbing and get those edited, like, ASAP. Okay, bye.